Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about logical operators in Python. The logical operators are used in the expression evolution to make a decision. Means basically it will return true or false, and accordingly your code execution will be depending on those values. So logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So there are three keywords which are used for logical operators. They are AND, OR and NOT. So what will the AND operator will do? AND will return true if both the statement are true. It will return from false if any one of the statement is false. OR operator will return true if one of the statement is true. So if one statement is true and another statement is false, then OR operator will return true in that case. And NOT operator will reverse the result. Means if the result is false, then it will reverse it to true. So let's check in code how we can declare these three operators AND, OR and NOT. So this is my Python file operator.py. So let's say I have one variable which is number. So num equal to, let's say I have value as 10. And here I have another variable result. And here I will compare this with two conditional statement. So let's say I want to check if num1 is greater than 5, and I want to say and another condition I want to check num1 is less than, let's say num1 is less than 20, and accordingly, sorry, I have provided num as the variable name num, and then I will print result. So what does the logical operator does? It combines conditional statement. It compares two conditional statements. So this is my first statement, num is greater than 5 and num is less than 20. So let's see what it returns. So see, we are getting here true because the first condition is also true. Num 10 is greater than 5 and 10 is also less than 20. So in AND operator, if both statements are true, then we will get true. Let's say if I say if num is greater than 30, now in that case it will return me false because 10 is not greater than 30, but it is less than 20. Only one statement is false, so in that case also AND will return false. But if I say here instead of AND OR I say, so in OR case if any of the statement is true, then it will return true. So this statement is true, right? Num is less than 20 because 10 is less than 20. So this is true and this is false. So in that case OR will return me true. See, OR is returning true because in the OR, if one statement is true, it will return true. If both statements are true, it will also return true. So both statements are true now. See, we are getting a true. So OR will return false only when both the statements are false. So let's say if I say num is greater than, let's say I want to say 30 and it is less than, let's say I want to say less than 10. So both statements are false now. So it will return false. So see, we are getting here false. Another operator we have seen is NOT. So when we say NOT, it will reverse the result. So currently our result is false. So if I print NOT here, NOT, so what it will do, it will return our result to false. And it will convert it to true now. See, we are getting here true. Let me show here, print result. See, in the first case, the value of result is false, and after that we have said NOT, so it has reversed our value of result to true. If the result is true, then it will return false. If the result is false, then it will return true. So that is the use of logical operators. We will see more of logical operators once we do more programs on Python. So that's it in this video. We will cover another operators in next video. Thank you for watching.